What up, YouTube gang? It's your boy C-Spec Kurt, and I'm out here today. We're getting ready to fly the DJI Mavic Air 2. Mavic Air 2 drone. We're getting ready to fly this thing. I'm out here in my neighborhood. Alright, so what you're about to see on this video is you're going to see me take the drone over to an overpass that's being built right now. We're going to fly this baby across the overpass. Let you see some construction that's underway right now. And also, currently right now, what we got going on is over here in the field, there's a tractor. He's collecting corn or wheat. He's cutting. I think it'll make for some beautiful footage. I'm gonna fly the drone over there. We're gonna see what it look like. All right, so we're gonna do some screen recording on the cell phone so you can see the interface that I'm working with, and we're gonna connect it to the Galaxy Fold 2, as you can see right here. Galaxy Fold 2. I'm gonna hook the baby up to the Galaxy Fold 2. Gonna make it all work. All right, so it's the Mavic Air Pro, Mavic Air 2 right here. Gonna make this thing do what it do. So let's get to it. All right. All right. So as you can see, it's so easy to unfold and do everything that you need to do. And I got my SD card out. I just realized right here. My SD card. Where is it at? Where is it at? Where is it at? Where is it at? It is currently in my computer bag on the side. So I'm gonna run in there and grab that. And what I like to do, I like to open my blades up right here. As you can see, we open the blades up. That's one less thing that's too harsh for your drone to have to do. And, you know, of course, you got these little thumb wheels here. If you looked at my unboxing video, it's probably on there. They store right here in case your kids want to mess with it. They'll be out the way. And, you know, the Fold is a big phone to put in here, but, I mean, it does fit. You're just pushing it like that, and voila. And you can also tilt your screen up a little bit with the Fold. Now, don't get fancy with the Fold trying to be all like this, because, you know, it's not really secure, as you can see. So don't be doing too much. Just tilt your screen up and you can fly just like such. All right, but go ahead and get your cord out of there so that you can get it wired up. And I'm about to go run in here and grab this SD card, and we're gonna fly. So let's get to it. All right, guys, so check it out. I got the SD card. I'm gonna throw the SD card in on this side over here. Let's see, like so. It goes in that way. You can see we are screen recording, so you're gonna get all this footage right here as I'm flying. We're getting ready to take off. We're gonna fly over here and see what's going on. See what's going on over here at this farm. All right, we're gonna see what's the dealio, okay? All right, so it's very simple, guys. You just hit the button right there. It goes where you can put takeoff. Oh, screen record on, duh. And then you hold takeoff like such. Drone takes off.
Takeoff.
Alright.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Alright, so we're gonna fly over here and see what's going on, guys, over here at the farm location. Let's take it up a little bit. You can see right there, everything is looking good. Let's put it in sport mode. Now, when you go from one mode to another, you have to, I believe, come to a stop. Let's see if it pick up speed. What's up, man? All right, something just flew by me. So this is so cool to get the footage of this guy doing this thing out here. As you can see, that is so cool. He's out there doing his thing. Just going about his business, getting his crop. Like, wow. That's so dope. He's probably like, what in the heck? I know I would be. Let's go up a little higher. All right, guys, so as you can see, I mean, pretty awesome footage. He's gotten a lot done. All right, so there's an accident out here the other day, man, and I missed all of that. Oh, look, there's a truck. This guy's a little truck out there. Let's go check it out. All right, so as I get lower, I'm going to lose signal, but right now it's holding pretty solid. At the crib. All right, so We're not going to be all in his business. Let's go over here and let's look at the traffic a little bit. So on the bridge the other day, on the bridge on this footage right here, this is the exact same road. It's just miles down the road, guys. All right, so I'm amazed. It feels like I'm getting more distance today. Well, this thing is actually good for a whole lot of distance. Let's see if I can take it across the road. Alright, so that's a hospital over there. Not really supposed to be flying over there because the hospital, they got helicopters coming in and out, so we'll get away from there. Let's get back over here. That's just cool. Look at all the dirt flying up from him. You know, the range is awesome, you know, everything looking good. So dope. Alright, if your car got repoed, it's probably over here. This is the repo lot. You know, you can probably spot a lot of little things up over here. Oh yeah, he's over there like, who's over there? Who's that flying that thing up in the air? Over there spying. They over there spying on my repo lot. Boy, what the hell? That's what they over there saying. Alright, so we're gonna fly up the road here. Bring it on back, guys. Nice little water over here. Water looks nice. Let's take it down a few hundred feet. Take it down a few feet. Let's slow it down a little bit. Let's turn on normal mode. Let's see. Lost a little range right there. Alright guys, we got some geese over here. Let's see if they cool with us. Hopefully they don't fly up and knock my drone out. Recording the road, nothing going on up the road. All right, so yes, look at the geese, guys. It's over there chilling. Let's see, can we get closer without losing too much range? 54 feet from the ground. Remember, guys, we gotta stay above water. Look at that. That is so dope. See how low we can get, guys. I don't want to disturb them. I see them moving away, so they feeling the breeze from the drone. That's on. Such beautiful animals, guys. Such beautiful animals. All right, let's take it back up. Let's get up out of here. All right, guys. So let's get in sport mode. Let's zip across this field real quick. Pew! Let's go. We out of here. Boom. Let's get up to about 40 miles per hour. This thing zoom, guys, gets up to speed pretty good. We might hit about 38, I'm guessing. 38, 37.2. Not too bad. 37.4. We still zipping. Yeah, we about 37.4. All right, let's take it up. All right, now we're about 200 feet. All right, guys, we're just gonna go across this road over here. We ain't going by the hospital. Across the road. Let's get some footage going across the road. Booyah, there we go. Oh yeah, real good. Guys, I think that the freaking weather, the climate out here is giving me better range, because usually
maximum flight altitude reached.
Max altitude reach. Okay. So alright, for smooth footage when we're recording in 4K. Alright, so we've been recording in 4K. We're about to switch over to 1080, guys. So let me stop recording and switch over.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds. Go home.
Don't want to go home. Leave me alone. Alright guys, so it's out here recording traffic. It's right on the intersection. If something happens, it's gonna be at the intersection. But let's go ahead and get some footage in. Let's see, 30 frames per second. 2.7, we can get 60 frames. So let's go down here to 60. Alright, so now we're recording at 2.7K at 60 frames per second, guys, okay? So this is let you see some differences while we're flying, if you notice any differences at all. We're at 300 feet. I don't think nobody's gonna see us up here. But this will allow us to get smoother footage while moving around a lot, opposed to getting motion blur as much as you would normally get it. And if you also just control your stick and move at a very nice fashion, you can definitely control the motion blur as well. But we're gonna go ahead and zip this thing back over here, guys. All right, let's get out.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
All right, gang, so she's coming in high. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it down a little bit. Let's see. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's bring it on down a notch. About 97 feet. Coming down the street. There we go. Alright guys, there she go right there. Definitely a busy bee. There we go. Can you see it? Where's it at? Oh, there we go. Alright, so we're gonna park it right here on the trunk. Control of this baby is super easy. You can land this thing right wherever you want to, no problem at all. Hopefully all the wind don't blow it over, blow my camera over. Let's put it in normal mode so it won't be so fast. Slow it down a little bit. Alright, so the sensor is gonna allow me to back up. I'm just turn it aside. And we'll commence.
Landing.
And she's down, guys. So that there, it's a nice little landing and all that good stuff of the drone. I hope you enjoyed the video. So we got the footage of the cornfield as well as the bridge footage, which is coming up now. So enjoy the video. Peace.